Hello everyone, today we're going to introduce the Camera Laser Rangefinder. The Camera Laser Rangefinder is a tool that combines both the camera module and the laser rangefinder module. And the integration of these two modules can give us a better understanding of our environment and surroundings. Before we dive in, let's go over some laser safety tips. This laser rangefinder has two types of lasers, one class 1 and one class 3R. Class 1 lasers are generally safe to use because they have the highest MPE, or maximum permissible exposure. This means that you can look at this laser for long periods of time without any harm, and can even hold it from 10 centimeters away towards your eye, although I would not recommend to do so. Class 3R lasers, however, are stronger, and the radiation from it can actually damage your eyes. This is why it should be recommended not to shine this laser into yours or anyone else's eyes. But the MPE can be exceeded with low risk of harm, so you can look at the laser for a while, but never shine it in anyone's eyes.
Okay, this is the actual product when it's all set up. The device itself is connected to this Raspberry Pi 4 via two USB cords, one connected to the camera module and one connected to the laser rangefinder. The Pi can then be connected to any 5-volt power source, or in this case a power bank, where it can be plugged into at the top via USB-C connection. This can take a second to power up, but once plugged in and powered on, we can open up the application that will control all of the features. Alright, this is the interface when it's all plugged in and set to go. As you can see right here, we have this pause button, which will be indicated by this yellow border. This will stop the video feed, so you will not actually see what's happening with the targets, but then you can start it up again. You'll also notice that there is this zoom feature up here in the top right. Now this zoom feature will let you zoom in so you can focus on which target you're trying to aim at, and sometimes it might even not be too clear because this box can be a little too small sometimes. You can use this to see it in an even bigger space. Now once this is all set, you can also have these record features, which will record a quick video of what's on the video feed, and it will put in a file. And then we also have this HSD mode, which kind of changes the saturation of colors to highlight different aspects in the environment. Moving on to the laser interface, as mentioned before, there is a class 1 and a class 3R laser. The class 3R laser is basically just a red visible laser. This is the one you should not be shining in anyone's eyes, and that can be controlled through this laser button right here. And then it will be indicated that it's on with the green light, and then you can simply just turn it back off once you're done using it. Now for the measurements, that's actually calculated with the class 1 laser, which is an infrared laser, so it's not visible to the naked eye. These measurements can only be taken between 5 meters to about 600 meters, but as you can see right here, that it can even surpass that sometimes. And we'll do a single measurement just to show you what happens. See, kind of slightly changed. That can be due to some of the variables in the environment, like that can interfere with the laser, but it should generally be pretty close each time. Also, on the back of it, we have this little tilt stage. Now this can adjust the camera if it's not quite calibrated right. So you can turn these little knobs and it will turn it here on the screen. You'll see it's going left, it's going right. So this one moves it left and right, this one moves it up and down, and that basically will just they'll move 5 degrees in each direction, each one of these directions, and when calibrating it, it can make your results even more accurate.
Now, that was the camera laser rangefinder. This product is currently undergoing advances to increase its usability and accuracy. In addition, hopefully it can be combined with detection capabilities to further increase users' visual capabilities. I hope you understand this product's function. If you have any questions or want to learn more about IADIY's projects, please take a look at all our other videos on our site at www.iadiy.com.